Alright guys, it's finally happening. We are taking the pickup to the Overland Mountain West Expo. I'm on my way trying to find the exhibitor's entrance. Yeah, dropping off the truck here about 9:30 and got it all cleaned up. Got everything ready to roll, rocking. Yeah, pretty excited just to have our truck in the show. It's been a long time coming and it's finally happening. But all thanks to the boys over at Up Top Overland. So without them, our truck wouldn't be in the expo, sitting in the booth. I'm not sure exactly when I'll be posting this, when I have time to edit, because things have been crazy. But if you guys made it to the Overland Expo Mountain West here in Loveland, Colorado, and you guys seen our pickup and checked it out, I appreciate you guys a lot. So definitely means a lot. My dad and I were getting the storage containers up on the truck the other day in blazing sun. But shout out to my pops for helping me get that on the pickup. Had to figure some stuff out on how to get it mounted, but we got it to work. Pretty stoked about that. Truck looks in its final form, so I am pretty happy about that. Yeah, we got lots of new stuff. We got wheels, tires, suspension for this, as you guys all know. We got our, hold on, I'm just trying to read these signs here. Wheels, tires, we got the lights on the ditch lights, we got the lights on the roof of the truck, lots of other stuff, running boards as well. So I'm over here, gonna, hold on one moment. Hi.
Just follow the signs.
Okay, thank you so much. Getting the truck in. I'm gonna turn it around real quick, showing what we're working with. Yeah, we are here following some other trucks. Yeah, it's a surreal moment. I haven't been this way before because I was always just a spectator. But we're rocking and rolling. The truck is clean, but we're going through some dirt right now. So yeah, I'm so happy, guys. I've always wanted our truck in the show, and it is finally happening. Shout out to all of our partners and build partners, of course, that helped make our truck what it is right now. Without you guys, this wouldn't be happening right now. So very stoked and very blessed for this opportunity. But I got somebody coming up to me right now. So hello, hi.
What company are you with?
For Up Top Overland. Sweet. Sorry about that. I am freaking pumped. So golf cart's gonna guide us through. We got our sign right there. We're gonna be going. We are heading in. So A636.
You know where you're going, right?
A636.
I'm sorry?
A636 for Up Top Overland.
A636?
Yeah, she told me golf cart was gonna guide me through.
Okay.
Okay.
I didn't know if you were with the other person.
No, I was not.
Okay.
No, sorry.
A636.
Yes. Okay, so we are getting things figured out. The golf cart's going to go ahead and guide me through to our Up Top Overland booth. Yeah, we got everybody here looking. So all the vendors setting up, people camping, everybody just setting up for this weekend.
Yeah. Just follow him. He'll get you situated.
Sounds good. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it. All right, so we are rocking and rolling. Getting ourselves in. They got a little nice fun course going on right now with the Rams over there. So gotta go ahead and follow this guy, this distinguished gentleman, as you see, following the golf cart guy, taking us to where we need to be. Lots of cool rigs out here. Yeah. Oh, I guess we're right here. We are right here. We're ready. We're rocking and rolling. Yeah. So we're gonna be with up top right here. So we're gonna be getting our truck situated and parked and ready. So, all right. So we got our truck parked. We'll be hopping out of here shortly. So. All right, so we just dropped the truck off. Couldn't really show anything. I'm kind of in a hurry right now. I gotta head over to my wife. I gotta be back home in like 40 minutes. Gotta get my dogs out. Yeah, you can see I got the earth roamers right behind us. They're pulling in. So truck is all prettied up. It's all parked, prettied up. Kind of rushing right now, but figured I'd film having my truck in the booth for the first time. Pretty stoked about it. Yeah, I'll be here tomorrow. Since we're going to be here at the expo, wanted to just make it a little bit special for everybody, and kind of just show you guys the real experience. So huffing and puffing, running. Everybody's rigs are getting packed up, or they're unpacking, if anything. I'm just trying to exit this place right now, so I need to find an actual exit. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, well, I guess it looks like I gotta freaking run around. Exit. So we'll see. I will follow you guys up later as I run with my camera. But I gotta make it home in time, so peace. All right, so we are at the Overland Expo a day later from our last visual. We had the truck here at the up top Overland booth in row A. I believe we're A636. So here we have the truck sitting pretty next to the Tacoma. Oh yeah. Truck is all dialed in. It's looking real good. It's looking real nice. Again, guys, we are at Up Top Overland's booth, but I'll probably have this video posted later on this week, maybe when the expo's over. But yeah, we're having a good old time. We're at day one. We got lots of stuff pretty much everywhere. It rained a little bit today, but not terrible. Got a Zarges boxes up there. That's their K470. I think it was like the thinnest that they've had on their or on their actual website. Yeah, we got everything dialed in, guys. All right, folks. So that is it. We are done with day 3, and that is the last day for the Overland Mountain West Expo. I did not get to film a lot, or if anything at all. Our booth was a little bit busy, so I was just helping out questions such that we had at Up Top Overland's booth, and then just we had a bunch of general questions about our truck. Of course, you know, tire size, wheel size, what kind of lift we got, what kind of lights we got, racks, of course, tent, all that kind of good stuff. And I'm glad that you guys actually came and answered, or actually came and asked all those questions. Yeah, we were posting it on our Instagram throughout the week periodically, collaborating with Up Top and other companies. Yeah, shout out to all those companies that made this this event very fun and enjoyable. Shout out to Running for Tacos for getting the truck dialed in for this weekend show. Again, this was my first show, so kind of a noob of it, and I really kind of just tried to soak it in, being here at the event, Overland Mountain West Expo in Loveland, Colorado. But you guys had lots of questions, and I tried to give you guys the best answers that I could. I'll give you the runaround of the truck. If you guys were here at the booth, or if you guys were here at the expo, of course you guys only saw the rear of the pickup. We had the front end facing the inside because we were trying to display the bed rack that we had on our pickup, and then of course the roof rack as well. But the roof or the bed rack pretty much stole the show for this weekend's up top booth. And of course we had lots of questions about our table carry, or the table carrier by up top. I never take my table out at all. Of course we have the full height truss bed rack, and then of course we do have the kilo roof rack. Yeah, some of the stuff that we did change for the show, we changed our wheels and tires. Again, we have the 17x9 -12 lock off-road wheels in a machined polished finish, and then we went with the 38 Nitto Trail Grapplers 38 13.5 R17s, moved away from those 20s. And then of course it was a long time coming, we did our suspension just a couple months ago, and then we changed our storage boxes up top. We got rid of the black and opted in for some aluminum brushed look for it. So these are these Arges K470. It's one of their slimmest boxes. Pretty much fit the look that I was going with for the new setup. And then we do have our lights on top as well. The Sigma X5 5-inch pod lights by Special Lighting. Right now I do have the backlighting on both the ditch light brackets, and then I have the 8-pod light setup as well on in the backlighting. And of course we do have 2 of these Arges boxes right on top, as you can see. And that's pretty much the major things that we changed on the pickup for the show. It was, you know, I mean, some may say that that's kind of a lot to change on the pickup when a lot of the other things were brand new on the truck itself before going into what we changed for the truck. But it was time. I just needed a new identity for the pickup. I had a fun time this weekend at the expo, talking to a lot of you guys, and handful of you guys came out and said that you guys were followers of our page. That really meant a lot to me. So you guys, you know, coming up and asking all these questions really meant a lot to me, even though I do give, you know, the same answers over and over again, and I don't really change my truck as much. As for accessories, it is really expensive doing this, and I try my best, you know, to keep it on a budget side, but when doing this whole overlanding, it's not really, you know, I mean, there's budget friendly and there's not budget friendly stuff, but I just want the truck to look good and perform the best, just so that, you know, so I don't have to change everything out as often. Thank you everybody for coming out to the show and to Up Top's booth. We were booth A636. Thank you guys for coming and asking all these questions. Really meant a lot to me, and then especially for those that, you know, were just stopping by to say hi, say what's up, like I asked you guys on Instagram and all my other socials. Really meant a lot, and I do really appreciate that. You know, really made me feel happy, because I do it for passion, and I have lots of passion for the off-road community. And my truck isn't everybody's. I guess my build isn't for everybody, but it's for me. I like the big truck, you know, I have to have it tall, have to have it big. I like the big tires, you know, I like all this stuff. So, you know, I love the flashiness of it, especially now with a nice a machine look. Everything about it is just, it's awesome. It's my dream build right now. And, you know, of course, there's always some other things that I could probably fix, change. But this is my dream. My dream of what the truck would look like at its final day for show day, and it was exactly what I thought it was. So thank you guys for appreciating my build. It's not everybody's taste, but it's my taste, and I couldn't be happier. My first show was here at the ranch for the last 3-4 days, and it's dirty right now. Lots of people touched it, got inside of it, looked at it. That's what it's here for, you know, show and tell. Yeah. I don't know what else to say for this video, but thank you guys so much for watching this video and pretty much just supporting me. I really do appreciate the support. It really does mean a lot to me, and when I say that, it really means a lot to me. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions on the build itself, I am more than happy to answer your guys' questions. I will be doing a deeper dive on these new parts that I installed in the truck. And if I reiterate my stuff and you guys don't like that, just let me know. But either way, I'm just trying to show and spread my education around what I have. It may not have been what you guys would do, but it's what I did. And I love it so far. So I'll show you guys the truck one more time. Take a look at it. Pretty badass. I love it. But not everybody's cup of tea. But it is mine, and it is a Sunday, and I gotta go home. We've been here for the last 4 days, and I got a little sunburn, but it's time to go home. Go to the wife and family. So thank you guys for watching, and I do appreciate you guys for your guys' support. See you guys later.